Let's face it, in Florida, you can't live without air conditioning. And if your system breaks, it's usually considered an emergency. But what happens when repairs begin to cost too much? How do you know it's time to replace your entire system? Well, here are a few things to look at to determine if it's time to replace your system instead of attempting to repair it. First, and most importantly, are you actually comfortable inside your home? Sometimes the most obvious sign your air conditioning system needs replacement is inconsistency in either temperature or humidity. Are you having to constantly walk to your thermostat to adjust it? Are there certain areas in your home that are hotter or cooler than others? Does it seem like your system has just a hard time keeping up? If you're not comfortable, well, that might be a sign that it's time for a change. Beyond your comfort, high electric bills are another indicator. Cooling costs in Florida account for almost half of your utility expenses. If your energy bills are unexpectedly high, that might be a sign. As with most things, technology has helped advance air conditioning systems, and newer units are far more energy efficient than their predecessors. Your current system is likely having to work much harder to cool your house, causing your energy bills to rise. In addition to this, if your system was installed prior to 2010, it may even require R22, a refrigerant that has been banned and phased out to make way for more eco-friendly R410. Companies can still service these systems, but since the refrigerant is in the process of discontinuation, it is significantly more expensive, and prices have risen exponentially. If your system still uses R22, it's probably time to replace it. In the end, if your system has recently experienced frequent repairs, it's likely that this will continue to happen. With an abundance of repair bills, there comes a point where it actually may be cheaper to install a replacement system instead of a replacement part. We suggest getting an estimate for installing a new system in your home whenever you have a major repair bill if your system is more than 8 years old. Trained professionals, like the ones we have here at Air and Energy, will be able to best assist you in determining if your current system is worth repairing or if it's reached the end of its life. As crucial as it is to have air conditioning in Florida, with the proper care and maintenance, your system should last a long time. However, if it is time for you to replace your system, at least you know at the end result you will be much more comfortable in your home. No matter the situation, Air and Energy is here to assist you. Thanks for watching, and be sure to leave a question or comment about your air conditioning system below. We'll be happy to answer your concerns or curiosities in future videos.